We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and detailed look at the Osprey Daylite Plus Commuter Backpack, Black. If you own this backpack, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The Osprey Daylite Plus Commuter Backpack is a product that stands out for its premium efficiency and design. Built to cater to a diverse range of users, from daily commuters to avid hikers, this backpack is engineered to help you make the most of every journey. Its dimensions are 7.87 by 10.24 by 16.93 inches, and it weighs just 1.29 pounds, making it a lightweight yet durable solution for carrying your essentials. The unisex adult design ensures broad appeal, and Osprey's reputation for quality is evident in every stitch and seam. One of the most frequently praised aspects of the Daylite Plus is its versatility. Users report that it performs exceptionally well as a light backpack for flights, hiking, and daily commuting. The main compartment features large panel loading, providing easy accessibility to the contents inside. This makes it simple to pack and unpack, whether you are loading up for a day on the trails or preparing for a workday in the city. The internal hydration sleeve is purpose-designed, allowing users to insert a water bladder for hikes or use it as a laptop sleeve for commuting. Many reviewers highlight that the sleeve can comfortably fit up to a 15-inch laptop, and some have managed to fit a 17-inch device in the main compartment, though it may not fit in the dedicated sleeve. The side mesh pockets are a standout feature, frequently mentioned by users who value the ability to carry large water bottles. The mesh is flexible and robust, accommodating bottles up to 40 ounces, even those with side handles. This is a significant improvement over many backpacks where side pockets are too tight or shallow. The ease of sliding bottles in and out without struggle is a recurring point of satisfaction, especially for those who need quick access to hydration during flights, hikes, or commutes. Another feature that receives high marks is the front pocket system. The small front pocket is ideal for storing items like wallets, Idaho cards, and medications, providing quick and easy access. The secondary front pocket is praised for its capacity and organization, holding a surprising amount of gear and making it easy to find what you need on the go. The open front pocket is particularly useful for stashing items like a wet rain jacket, keeping it separate from the rest of your belongings and preventing moisture from spreading inside the bag. Comfort is a critical factor for any backpack, and the Osprey Daylite Plus receives generally positive reviews in this area. The shoulder straps are adjustable and provide a comfortable fit for most users, especially when the pack is kept light. The chest and hip straps add extra support, which is particularly beneficial during longer hikes or when running between airport gates. However, some users note that the straps are on the thinner side, which can lead to discomfort if the pack is overloaded or carried for extended periods. For those carrying heavier loads, a bit more padding on the straps would be welcome, but for typical day use, the comfort level is considered excellent. The backpack's lightweight construction is both a strength and a point of consideration. The thin material contributes to the overall lightness, making it easy to carry for long periods without fatigue. At the same time, users report that the material is durable and holds up well to regular use, even when traveling across continents or hiking in rugged environments. The zippers are another highlight, with enough resistance to deter theft in crowded areas, adding a layer of security for those commuting or traveling in busy cities. For those who commute by bike, the Daylite Plus is designed with cyclists in mind. The shape and size are optimized to avoid interference with helmets, addressing a common issue where backpacks can push up against a helmet and cause discomfort. The hydration sleeve doubles as a laptop compartment, and there is a dedicated hole for a hydration tube, making it easy to access water while riding or hiking. The organizational features, including a key holder, external zippered pocket, and dual side pockets, provide ample storage and keep essentials within easy reach. Despite its many strengths, the Osprey Daylite Plus does have a few drawbacks mentioned by users. The most common critique is its size. While it excels as a lightweight day pack, it may be too small for those who need to carry more than the basics. Users coming from larger Osprey models, such as the Flapjack, note that the Daylite Plus is significantly smaller and may not offer the same carrying capacity. If you need to carry textbooks or multiple large items, you may find the space limiting. Additionally, some users find the extra pocket on the Plus model to be less useful than expected, suggesting that the standard Daylite might offer better value if you do not need the additional compartment. Another minor point is the padding on the shoulder straps. For most day-to-day uses and lighter loads, the existing padding is sufficient. However, for those carrying heavier items or using the pack for long durations, a bit more padding would enhance comfort. This is a trade-off for the lightweight design, and most users find it an acceptable compromise given the overall performance of the backpack. Durability is a hallmark of Osprey products, and the Daylite Plus is no exception. Users report years of reliable service from their Osprey bags, with the Daylite Plus maintaining its quality and appearance even after extensive use. The materials and construction are robust, and the design is thoughtful, with attention to detail in every aspect. The backpack's ability to slide onto the handle of a carry-on suitcase is another feature that frequent travelers appreciate, making airport navigation more convenient and reducing the strain of carrying multiple bags. The Osprey Daylite Plus Commuter Backpack has achieved a customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 2,700 ratings, reflecting its popularity and user satisfaction. It ranks highly in the casual daypack backpack category and is recognized for its blend of functionality, comfort, and durability. Whether you are using it for daily commuting, hiking, travel, or school, the Daylite Plus adapts to your needs and delivers consistent performance. In summary, the Osprey Daylite Plus Commuter Backpack is a well-designed, lightweight, and versatile pack that meets the needs of a wide range of users. Its strengths lie in its comfortable fit, excellent organizational features, and durable construction. The ability to accommodate large water bottles, fit a laptop or hydration bladder, and provide quick access to essentials makes it a top choice for commuters, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. While it may be too small for those with larger carrying needs and the shoulder straps could benefit from a bit more padding, these are minor drawbacks compared to the overall quality and functionality of the pack. If you are looking for a reliable, lightweight backpack that can handle everything from daily commutes to international travel and day hikes, the Osprey Daylite Plus is an excellent option. Its thoughtful design and proven durability make it a worthy investment for anyone seeking a do-it-all backpack. Don't forget to check the product link in the description to learn more or make a purchase. And if you already own the Daylite Plus, please share your experiences in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is invaluable to the community and helps ensure everyone finds the right gear for their needs.